Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide ads on Instagram. So if you feel you want to hide one of the ads on your Instagram, a like sponsored post, you can do it by tap three dot at the top of the post or at the ad, and here you go, you can tap hide ad. So there is notification. Instagram will ask you why are you hiding this ad. So you can try to answer like something else if you don't want the answer. If you don't want to answer, you can tap something else. So here we go. You will not see this ad again. And Instagram also use your feedback to improve the ads you see on Instagram. For more detail, you can click or tap learn more about ads. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.